Hello. So finally Google Play Games beta access is available in Europe, and today I'm installing it and I will check it out. So after installing it we can launch it, and it will require us to log in with our Google account. So let's do that. I will launch my account for YouTube, so I don't need to blur anything anyways because it's the contact email anyways. um Now we have to accept the terms of service. We can enable or disable the help to improve, and here we are. We can see that I already have something in the library, even though I don't even play this game, so it's like an ad. Also, one thing I noticed, the app is always blinking. You can see that for some seconds the app it's like blinking, and I couldn't see any kind of solution. Yeah, so we need to turn on virtualization settings. You will need to enable it on in your BIOS, and also you have to enable, well, it will do for you if you click continue. You have to enable a special feature called Hyper Windows Hypervisor Platform. So it's also used for Hyper-V virtual machines and all kinds of virtualization that works like on Windows side. So for example, this will break some virtual machine software. In my case, it didn't break VirtualBox. I think it will break if you enable Hyper-V or other options, but so yeah, I enabled it. I turned off the recording. After restart, Windows updated and enabled this option if you click continue. So after enabling this Hyper-V thing, BlueStacks stopped working because it's not supported. You will need to install another version of Android that supports Hyper-V. You can do it from the multi-instance manager for BlueStacks, and you can install up to Windows no, Android Pie, or well, the ones that say 64 bits. In my case, VirtualBox didn't break after installing this feature. I don't know if other features may cause problems, but the one that's required by this Google Play Games thing doesn't break anything. So yeah, by doesn't break anything, I mean out of the usual. As I said, it will break BlueStacks, the default version. Also, well, talking about the store itself, it has not a lot of games for now. Also, a strange thing I noticed is that if you download Genshin Impact, Honkai Impact and games of this type, it will just download the default launcher that comes with Epic Games Store or the official website. So yeah, if you expected to play the mobile version that maybe uses less performance, it needs less, it has a lower requirement level, so you can't use it. You will need to download BlueStacks. Another thing is that A lot of games that are here on the Google Play Games are available on the Microsoft Store. So if you wanted to play games like this one, Gardenscapes, you can just download it on the included Microsoft Store. And I don't see, well, the only like good thing maybe about the Play Store version, that it has integrated like this Play Store saves and all of that services. But I don't know. It has a very limited library of games. A lot of them are still not optimized. Well, it's beta, I know, but this app doesn't have even like settings that BlueStack has, like for example memory management, how many CPUs you want to use. Well, a lot of like different customizations that BlueStacks has. And also you will break BlueStacks if you install it. So yeah, well, break. You will need to install another version. So I don't know if you can try it. Just know that it has a few problems. Also, it uses Shift Tab to open like a menu to exit. So I guess it's like Steam. Also, it will ask you what was your experience after playing a game. Well, it's because it's in beta. So yeah, I guess that's all. Another thing that I forgot to mention is that BlueStacks has like key bindings, like full control over the screen. How do you tap it? If you double tap it, if you move your finger, it has a lot of like key, like these mapping things that Google Play Store just doesn't have. So yeah, I think that's all. That was like my little opinion about this. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you next time.